Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to cover over 30 essential vocabulary words with sentences that you can use in your daily life. Let's get started. Do the dishes. Do the dishes. I do the dishes after every meal. I do the dishes after every meal. Take a nap. Take a nap. I take a nap in the afternoon. I take a nap in the afternoon. Organize the closet. Organize the closet. I organize the closet to keep it tidy. I organize the closet to keep it tidy. Go to the gym. Go to the gym. I go to the gym to stay fit. I go to the gym to stay fit. Listen to music. Listen to music. I listen to music to relax. I listen to music to relax. Sing in the shower. Sing in the shower. I sing in the shower every morning. I sing in the shower every morning. Dance. Dance. I dance to my favorite songs. I dance to my favorite songs. Play an instrument. Play an instrument. I play the guitar in the evening. I play the guitar in the evening. Paint. Paint. I paint landscapes on weekends. I paint landscapes on weekends. Draw. Draw. I draw cartoons in my sketchbook. I draw cartoons in my sketchbook. Write a letter. Write a letter. I write a letter to my friend. I write a letter to my friend. Send a package. Send a package. I send a package at the post office. I send a package at the post office. Receive a package. Receive a package. I receive a package from a friend. I receive a package from a friend. Check social media. Check social media. I check social media updates. I check social media updates. Post on social media. Post on social media. I post photos on social media. I post photos on social media. Call family. Call family. I call my family to talk. I call my family to talk. Video chat. Video chat. I video chat with my relatives. I video chat with my relatives. Play video games. Play video games. I play video games to unwind. I play video games to unwind. Solve puzzles. Solve puzzles. I solve puzzles to challenge my mind. I solve puzzles to challenge my mind. Do a crossword. Do a crossword. I do a crossword puzzle in the newspaper. I do a crossword puzzle in the newspaper. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. I go for a walk in the evening. I go for a walk in the evening. Visit a friend. Visit a friend. I visit a friend in the afternoon. I visit a friend in the afternoon. Have a picnic. Have a picnic. I have a picnic in the park. I have a picnic in the park. Go to the beach. Go to the beach. I go to the beach on weekends. I go to the beach on weekends. Swim. Swim. I swim in the pool during summer. I swim in the pool during summer. Go fishing. Go fishing. I go fishing at the lake. I go fishing at the lake. Ride a horse. Ride a horse. I ride a horse on my farm. I ride a horse on my farm. Hike. Hike. I hike in the mountains. I hike in the mountains. Camp. Camp. I camp in the forest. I camp in the forest. Travel. Travel. I travel to new places. I travel to new places. Pack luggage. Pack luggage. I pack luggage for my trip. I pack luggage for my trip. Book a flight. Book a flight. I book a flight online. I book a flight online. Stay in a hotel. Stay in a hotel. I stay in a hotel during vacations. I stay in a hotel during vacations. Eat out. Eat out. I eat out at a restaurant. I eat out at a restaurant. And that wraps up our 30+ daily use vocabulary words with sentences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning! Bye!